The goal of today's video is to discuss Utiliko's automation tool. Automation is an extremely important and very helpful tool to have within your business management platform. In this case, you could see a list of all of the created automations, and you can create a new automation by simply going to New Automation. We will go ahead and edit this automation to discuss how we have created it. So we gave it a name, we gave it a description, and the automation type applies to our project section here. The second thing is the filters. This is where you define which projects this automation will apply to. For example, we've selected all clients. If we wanted to apply it to a specific client, we could do that. We've selected all of the pipelines in the projects at any stage, any start and end date, and we've specifically chosen anything that the status is started, and it could be part of a specific category or it could be in all categories. The third step is actually actions. Now this is where we define what will happen. So once we found and filtered down those specific projects, what do we want it to do? In this case, we are changing the project manager from whomever it is to this lead attorney. We are changing the project owner. We are changing the status from started to in progress. And we can send out an email, we could add a comment to the project, or we can add tasks. Adding one or multiple tasks to a project could be a real lifesaver because it takes a lot of time to create these tasks individually. For example, if you have a project that you have to finish 5 or 6 or more tasks in order to complete the project, having those added manually every time can be very time consuming. But in this case, what we've done is we've created task 1. It's due 4 days after the creation of the project. It's assigned to the support department. It takes 1 hour to complete, or it should. And we have the description of what needs to be done. And in this case, it's assigned to myself. So this task will automatically be assigned to me. The second task that we've created follows the same pattern, however it's assigned to everyone. So everybody in this department gets to see that task. And the third task, it's actually assigned to a custom user, and here we get to choose which user it is assigned to. So now here we've gone ahead and hit test search, and we can see one project meets this criteria. So we'll go ahead and click update and activate. The automation is now active and it has been updated. And here we get a summary of the automation. We could deactivate it if needed, the actions that will be taken, and any filters that the automation will apply to, and the tasks that needs to be created. Now we're going to go ahead and switch over to this. You could see that this project, the status is started. There are no tasks, but as soon as we switch the tab, we could see that the tasks were automatically created. You can see this one is assigned to myself, this is assigned to everyone, and that one's assigned to a specific user, for example. And that's how easy it is to create these automations. And you can see here the tasks were added by automation in here, the project manager was updated, and so forth. Automations can be a very powerful tool because it does the same thing over and over again, and it does it exactly the same way, saving you hundreds of hours every month by not having to do those work manually. We strongly recommend that you create automations within the platform, use them to your advantage, and make yourself more efficient.